So it lets me go through what's in my Reason rack. So I'll just go to Thor, and so you can see that's the MIDI inside of here. So that's me triggering Reason, pretty much like a plugin. Now it would be a lot better if we could do multi-channel stuff, but you know, it's so quick and easy. I found, you know, if you have Reason, a easy way to do it would be to just record and then drag and drop. So that's horrible. I'm not really trying to make nothing, but I want to show you. So you can see this, the audio is actually in here. So the audio over here is outputting through Maschine. So if I wanted to go in and have this as a sample now, and I can just drag that. So it's right there. So I can mute it. And if I hit this,